In the infinite darkness of space, secrets travel on beams of light and waves of energy, crossing incomprehensible distances for millions, sometimes billions of years. Sometimes the universe whispers, and if we are listening carefully enough, we might just hear it. On a warm August evening in 1977, astronomer Jerry Eman was scanning the cosmos from the Big Ear Radio Observatory in Ohio, combing through endless streams of computer printouts. Mostly, it was static, the hum of hydrogen gas clouds and distant quasars, the background chatter of the universe. But that night, something extraordinary happened. A signal appeared, strong, focused, narrow, and perfectly aligned with the hydrogen frequency of 1420 megahertz, the universal cosmic calling card. It lasted exactly 72 seconds. Then it vanished. Eman circled the data in red ink and wrote a single word: wow. That signal, forever known as the wow signal, would puzzle humanity for decades. Nearly 50 years later, in 2025, astronomers tracked an interstellar object unlike any we have ever encountered. Chiri Atlas, an object traveling from beyond our solar system, moving at incredible speed and displaying unusual flashes of light. Some scientists now speculate that it may even be connected to that original wow signal. Was the wow signal the universe reaching out to us? Could 3i Atlas be carrying a message across the stars? Today, we explore this mystery, step by step, from the signal's discovery to the latest observations in 2025, and what it could mean for humanity. Let's rewind to 1977. Jerry Eman, a radio astronomer at Ohio State University, was reviewing computer printouts from the Big Ear Radio Telescope. Most nights there was nothing unusual. The gentle hum of space, occasional interference from human-made satellites, and faint radio emissions from distant stars. But on August 15th, something extraordinary appeared on the page. A burst of energy, narrow, bright, and fleeting, lasting exactly 72 seconds. It was 30 times stronger than the background noise. When Eman wrote "wow" on the margin, he captured the collective fascination of the astronomical community for decades to come. What made this signal special wasn't just its intensity, it was its frequency, 1420 megahertz, the natural resonance of hydrogen. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe. If an advanced civilization wanted to announce itself, this would be the frequency to choose. A universal language that any intelligent species with a basic understanding of physics could understand. Even more intriguing, the signal displayed a slight Doppler shift, suggesting the source was moving toward Earth at roughly 10 kilometers per second. It originated from the constellation Sagittarius, near the dense center of the Milky Way. For decades, scientists debated its origin. Natural explanations included satellites, comets, or interference, but none fit perfectly, and yet it remained a solitary, unexplained cosmic whisper, perhaps the first evidence that we are not alone. Fast forward to 2017. Oumuamua, the first confirmed interstellar object, appeared unexpectedly, traveling through our solar system on a hyperbolic trajectory. It was unlike anything we had seen before, cigar-shaped, tumbling, and accelerating in ways that didn't make sense. Some scientists even speculated it could be artificial, a probe sent by an advanced civilization. 2 years later, 2i Borisov arrived, a more conventional interstellar comet, but still evidence that objects travel between stars and occasionally pass through our solar system. Then, in 2019, the asteroid tracking program Atlas discovered something extraordinary. 3i Atlas, the third interstellar visitor ever confirmed. At first, it seemed like another comet, icy, rocky, and traveling fast. But soon, astronomers noticed something unusual. Its speed and trajectory were inconsistent with any object bound to our sun. It was coming directly from interstellar space, and its behavior was perplexing. By 2025, 3i Atlas had entered the inner solar system, using telescopes around the world. From Chile's Vera Rubin Observatory to the Hubble Space Telescope, astronomers began to notice strange phenomena. First, there were flashes, bright bursts of light, concentrated at the object's leading edge, almost like headlights pointing forward. Unlike a comet, there was no tail, no characteristic stream of gas and dust trailing behind it. Then came the escort objects, 9 smaller companions, each moving in perfect formation, following trajectories that mirrored the main body. Measurements suggested they were generating vast amounts of energy, 20 gigawatts each. For comparison, that's enough to power a major city for an entire day. None of this fit what we know about natural comets or asteroids. The scale, the energy output, the formation, it was unprecedented. 3I Atlas's path through the solar system also raised questions. Its orbit lies almost perfectly along the ecliptic plane, the same flat disk where the planets orbit. It passed near Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and the outer gas giants, almost as if conducting a systematic survey. Even more intriguingly, its closest approach to the Sun coincided with Earth being on the opposite side, hidden by solar glare. This meant that during the critical weeks of its passage, 3I Atlas was effectively invisible to our most powerful ground-based telescopes. Some scientists suggested this could indicate deliberate planning, a strategy to observe without being detected. Then there was the connection to the WOW signal. Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb calculated that 3I Atlas would have been in almost the same position in the sky when the original signal was detected in 1977. The odds of such alignment occurring by chance? Only 0.6%. It was almost as if the universe, or something in it, had a sense of timing spanning decades. From a scientific perspective, 3I Atlas challenges everything we know. Its size, estimates range between 20 and 46 kilometers in diameter. Its mass, approximately 33 billion tons. Its energy output, far beyond what a natural object should produce, even accounting for reflected sunlight and radioactive decay. It survived solar storms without disruption, maintaining its structure despite a massive coronal mass ejection in September 2025 that should have torn apart a normal comet. Its trajectory is precise, its energy inexplicably high, and its companions generate enormous power. These observations have left scientists questioning, is 3I Atlas natural, or something far more extraordinary? Some, like Avi Loeb, propose a bold idea. 3I Atlas might be an artificial spacecraft, a reconnaissance probe sent by an advanced civilization. The evidence. Its trajectory scans multiple planets. The precise timing and alignment suggest careful planning. Its flashes could be data transmissions or signals. The 9 escort objects move with synchronization, producing power far beyond natural processes. If true, this could represent the first contact with alien technology in human history. The implications are staggering. If 3I Atlas is artificial, it raises questions we can barely comprehend. Who sent it? How advanced is their civilization? Are they observing us now, or did they send it decades ago? Even if it's natural, it still forces us to rethink interstellar travel, cosmic surveys, and what we know about objects from other star systems. The WOW signal, 3I Atlas, and its companions remind us that the universe is not silent. It moves, it communicates, and sometimes it almost seems intentional. Astronomers, scientists, and enthusiasts around the world continue to observe 3I Atlas. Every flash, every orbital calculation, every energy reading is logged, analyzed, and debated. Amateur astronomers contribute observations from backyards across the globe. AI algorithms scan vast amounts of data in seconds, searching for patterns. Every night, the sky reminds us that mysteries are far more abundant than answers. Whether 3I Atlas is a natural anomaly or a technological marvel, it stirs something deep within us. Curiosity, wonder, the drive to look up and ask the same question humanity has asked for centuries. Are we truly alone? Imagine standing on Earth looking up at the sky in 2025. You see nothing but stars. Yet one object drifts silently through the solar system, flashing, glowing, accompanied by 9 silent companions, following a perfect trajectory, aligned with the timing of a signal sent nearly half a century ago. Could it be coincidence? Perhaps. Could it be deliberate? Possibly. One thing is certain. 3I Atlas has changed how we see the universe. It challenges our assumptions. It inspires new questions, and it reminds us of the scale, complexity, and mystery of the cosmos. In the coming years, Telescopes will become more powerful, AI more sophisticated, and space missions more ambitious. We may finally unravel the secrets of 3I Atlas, or we may encounter something even stranger. The wow signal once whispered across space. 3I Atlas now drifts through our solar system, and humanity watches, listens, and wonders, because somewhere beyond our planet, something might be watching back, and when we finally understand, it could change everything.